What? I'm in a hotel again. Well, it's the Bab Al Shams. Okay, let me show you the room. Let me show you what you can do in a room like this. You can watch TV, spy on the others and look who is coming and going. Sleep. Hey, that's the toilet, get out of here! Having a shower. Having a coffee. Good. Having a beer. Having a whiskey. Oh no, let's have a look at the pool first. Excuse me, are you Khalid the camel? Yes, yes. Oh, hot. I'm looking for directions to the pool because this place is a little bit of a maze. It makes it amazing, though. You get that? Amazing. That way. This way. Just down there. Okay. Thank you, shukran. The Bab Al Shams has one of the best bars, in my opinion, to buy. I've been to many bars, but I like that one, and probably here I have the record by sitting hours in a row, because I was sitting here sometimes the whole Friday, and no wonder, because it's such a nice place. Yeah. These kind of fountains you will find throughout the hotel. Wherever you look, you have these fountains. But I don't know what's the only thing it does to me. It's making me want to pee. And I think I need to go now. The hotel features one of the best Indian restaurants in town, which is called Masala. If you want to have authentic Indian cuisine from Bombay, excluding the Delhi belly, you should come to Masala and eat there. During the day it's closed, it's only open for dinner. And what you can see here behind me usually is the outside sitting area, and there would be also live music. Of course, only during the winter months. Now in summer it's a little bit too hot. So since there is no music available today, I decided a little bit to make my own music. the Sultan is coming. And that was my small tour through the Bab Al Shams Desert Resort. For people living in Dubai, it is a very, very nice and welcome weekend escape. It is of course a hotel of the 5-star category, so if you come here, you have to calculate with around $400 a night. However, it is well worth it and one of my favorite spots in the UAE. So if you like my video, please press the like button, or if you like me in general, please subscribe. See you in the next video.